Hey guys, in this video, we're breaking down the 5 best laptops for programming in 2021. I've included options for every type of consumer, so if you're looking for a laptop for web, game, or app development, I'll have the product for you. If you want more information on the best and most up-to-date pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the HP Spectre X360. This is our best budget laptop for programming. If you're looking for an inexpensive laptop for programming, the HP Spectre X360 comes with a powerful i5 processor and plenty of onboard memory, making it a solid budget option. Currently priced at around $850, the Spectre X360 is quite capable despite the lower price point. The display is framed with HP's micro edge bezels that give you more screen real estate by reducing the width of the screen's bezels by 75%, so you'll see more of the 13.3-inch 1920 by 1080 IPS touchscreen. And for great color and a reduction in glare, the display uses HP's BrightView technology. The keyboard has large island-style keys, is softly backlit, and very comfortable to use even for hours of coding. The trackpad has a wide touch area and satisfyingly firm action. For multitasking and compiling, the Intel i5 1035G4 processor is up to the task with an Intel Iris Plus GPU, and 8 GB of onboard memory keeps the entire system fluid and stable, even when you're running several tasks concurrently. Plus, you get a fast 256GB SSD, giving you plenty of room for all your apps, project files, and data. For logging into the X360, the integrated 1080p True Vision webcam uses an infrared camera array for the Windows Hello function, letting you log in using facial recognition. You also get the HP Pen. Use it to select or erase text, and you can configure the 2 buttons on the pen to execute different tasks that suit your work style. To connect up your peripherals and devices, the X360 gives you 2 Thunderbolt 3 enabled USB-C ports and a single USB-A port. You also get a headphone jack and a microSD card reader. For fast wireless networking, there's Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5. Battery life is above average, giving you around 12.5 hours between charges that will see you through your workday. The HP Spectre X360 would be a good choice for programmers on a tight budget with enough processing power and memory that you need to set up a stable environment for all your coding projects. The 4th product on our list is the Google Pixelbook. This is our best Chromebook for Android development. Not all Chromebooks are created equal, and if you're an Android developer, the Google Pixelbook is an option you're going to like. Currently priced around $1,200, it's the first Chromebook that can stack up against the most high-end Windows and Mac devices. From its stunning design to its impressive software enhancements, this is the best Chromebook for Android development, period. The 12.3-inch touchscreen display features accurate color reproduction and is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass and a 360-degree hinge that lets it seamlessly adapt to whatever you're doing with laptop, tablet, tent, and entertainment modes. The keys on the backlit keyboard are well spaced with 0.8 millimeters of travel that gives it forceful feedback that's a pleasure to use with subtle, satisfying clicking sounds. The glass trackpad provides smooth and precise control, both in single and multi-touch gestures. There's even a dedicated key to quickly and conveniently access Google Assistant, which is built in. You also get the Pixelbook Pen. It's smart and responsive, so you can circle text or an image on your Pixelbook to get answers or take actions quickly. The Pixelbook is powered by Chrome OS with automatic software updates, so you'll always have the latest virus protection. The system boots in less than 10 seconds and remains fast throughout the day. And there's lots of power to see you through your coding projects, including an Intel i5 processor, an Intel HD Graphics 615 integrated GPU, plus you get 8 GB of RAM to give you lots of stability, and for files and data, there's 128 GB of internal storage. For Android development, the Google Pixelbook lets you set up a developer mode and support for Linux apps like Android Studio that will also give you support for libraries, OpenJDK, and ADB debugging. Connectivity options include 2 USB-C 3.1 and a combo headphone mic jack, and for wireless networking, the Pixelbook gives you Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 4.2. The Google Pixelbook gives you impressive computing power, 10 hours of battery life, and the versatility of a 4-in-1 design, making it an ideal choice for programmers working in Android development environments. The 3rd product on our list is the Microsoft Surface Book 2. This is our best 2-in-1 laptop for programming. If you're looking for the versatility of the Pixelbook on a Windows laptop, the Microsoft Surface Book 2 is one of the best 2-in-1 laptops for programming with a detachable display so you can use it as a 15-inch tablet. Currently priced around $1,600, the Surface Book 2 has some high-octane components that make it powerful enough to handle pretty much anything you can throw at it, including debugging, testing, and compiling. The 15-inch 3240 by 2160 PixelSense display has a 3:2 aspect ratio and 1600:1 contrast ratio with super sharp picture quality and very good brightness. The keyboard is comfortable with backlit keys that are satisfying to tap and quiet with a good amount of travel without feeling mushy. The touchpad is also responsive with a satisfying audible click. Cameras include a 5-megapixel front-facing camera and an 8-megapixel rear-facing autofocus camera, with both capturing 1080p HD video. The speakers are on the 2 top corners of the tablet, and despite their small size, they do a pretty good job and are loud enough to be heard even from a moderate distance. When it comes to performance, this laptop is loaded, packing an Intel i7 processor, an NVIDIA GTX 1060 discrete GPU with 6GB GDDR5 of graphics memory, 16GB of RAM that will give you lots of flexibility to run multiple tasks, and all of your apps, data, and files can be stored on the lightning-fast 256GB SSD. Connectivity options include 2 USB 3.1 and 1 USB-C port, a 3.5mm headphone jack, 2 Surface Connect ports split between the base and tablet, and a full-size SDXC card reader. For wireless networking, you'll get Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 4.1. The Surface Book 2 also has a built-in Xbox wireless controller receiver, which is handy if you want to take a quick break from programming. If you're a coder, the specs alone of Microsoft's Surface Book 2 are more than impressive for programming, and not only does it offer the versatility of traditional 2-in-1s, but the display is completely detachable, so it can be used as a standalone 15-inch tablet without the added weight and awkwardness of the keyboard flipped around. The second product on our list is the Dell XPS 15. This is our best overall laptop for programming. If you're looking for one of the best laptops for programming, then the Dell's XPS 15 is going to be one of your top options, with top-tier performance complemented by an aesthetically appealing design, a large screen, and a keyboard with plenty of travel for hours of coding. Currently priced around $1,720, the SPX 15 features an edge-to-edge FHD Plus display that spans 15.6 inches and is enhanced with Display HDR 400 for good luminance, color gamut, bit depth, rise time, and Dolby Vision for superb visuals that deliver more than 16 million ultra-vivid colors. You can even upgrade to the stunning 4K display for even clearer and more detailed visuals. The keyboard is comfortable to use with 1.3 millimeters of travel and keycaps that are about 9.7% larger, supporting higher typing speed and more accuracy that will lend itself well to writing and editing lines of code. Next to the keyboard on either side are 2 upward-facing speaker grills that cover a quad-speaker arrangement that will give you a 3D surround sound experience with Waves NX audio. Below the keyboard, the large glass touchpad is smooth and easy to click. For computing power, the workhorse behind the XPS 15 is an Intel Core i7 processor with 5 GHz clock speed, an NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1650 Ti GPU with a 4GB cache, 16GB DDR4 internal storage, and a 512GB SSD to store all your data and apps. Although it doesn't officially support Linux, most Linux distributions run without any issues, including Arch, Manjaro, Linux Mint, and Ubuntu. The XPS 15's connectivity options include 3 Thunderbolt 3 ports, an SD card reader, and a headphone jack. If your workday goes into overtime, the XPS 15 will be able to keep up with its excellent battery performance, giving you up to 12 hours per charge. Wireless networking is supported with built-in killer Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.0. If you're looking for one of the best laptops available for programming, the Dell XPS 15 creates a good balance with a great-feeling keyboard, powerful processor, plenty of memory on board, and is extremely feature-rich. The first product on our list is the Apple MacBook Pro 16-inch. This is our best splurge laptop for programming. When it comes to laptops for programming, it's hard to ignore the 16-inch MacBook Pro, and the macOS is great for developers since it combines a brilliant and smooth user experience along with a powerful command line and Unix-like architecture to give you the best of both worlds. Currently priced around $2,190, the MacBook Pro offers best-in-class resource utilization and comes feature-rich, making it ideal for developers. If price isn't an issue, it's definitely worth taking a closer look. You'll really like the 16-inch 3072 by 1920 Retina display. Its True Tone technology will give you impressive highlights with bright whites, deep blacks, and peak brightness of 500 nits. The P3 wide color gamut will give you good color accuracy and support for millions of colors. And while you're typing in all those lines of code, the Magic Keyboard's scissor mechanism helps to reduce fatigue, facilitated by the concave keycaps and rubber dome under each key that give you increased stability and comfort even after hours of use. For processing power, the MacBook Pro has an Intel i7 processor with a 12MB cache running at 2.66 GHz with Turbo Boost up to 4.5 GHz. The GPU has auto-switch capabilities between an AMD Radeon Pro 5300M with 4 GB of onboard memory and an integrated UHD Graphics 630. 16 GB of RAM gives you plenty of memory to work with, and a 512GB SSD gives you tons of space for all of your libraries, project files, and apps. To connect up your peripherals, the MacBook Pro gives you 4 Thunderbolt 3 ports and a USB 3.1 port, and for wireless networking, you get both Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 5.0. Even the battery stands out in this laptop, giving you up to 11 hours between charges, easily letting you get through your entire workday. If you're a programmer looking for a laptop that delivers excellent responsiveness and efficiency in your workflow, the Apple MacBook Pro 16-inch has excellent processing power, a keyboard that resists fatigue, a dazzling 16-inch Retina display, and reliable battery power that combine to make it a worthy splurge option. Thanks for watching, and that's all for this video. If you liked this video and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, I'll see you later.